Probably the biggest thing I'd like to convey to attendees is that, to lose a job may increase your profitability, your productivity. Often I've worked too hard to get a job. And if your focus is on one job at a time, then your focus is not broad enough. While you're running a small business, there's way more to it than that one job. It's a collection of jobs, a culmination of your efforts. I go to Groundwater Week to mostly meet all of my old friends that I only see once a year. That's one of the highlights of the whole week. But you develop relationships with vendors, and it's nice to go and meet with the vendors, the suppliers, the manufacturers, and then you get a detail on new product offerings, maybe what's coming down the pipeline. You also get a real pulse of what the industry is doing, where it's headed. You get some economic indicators from these as well, and you trade some war stories. You may come out with a new idea, a new way of doing something. That it's just, it all goes to running a small business and all of the things that impact our bottom line and our success. Because this industry is not a one size fits all. We need a tremendously diverse array of offerings in order to be able to satisfy the majority of the needs of the membership of the National Groundwater Association. Everybody is in a distinct territory. We have different geological settings, and our businesses are set up a little differently across the nation and across the globe, really, right? So, that diversity in the product offerings ensures that there's a little something for everyone when they come to Groundwater Week. Well, we get to look at all the shiny new iron out there, right? We get to stop by the NGWA booth, and maybe if you're lucky, you catch some foundation people walking around there. But you get to see the advancements in the equipment. You get some hands-on. Seeing is believing, and sometimes you even get to demo a piece or see a demonstration, live in front of you of how a piece of equipment works, or some of the methodologies behind some of the designs.